Nothing but words for me to show how much my love for you unfolds through trouble and fears. This love feels so free, and I need you to know, even though we're far apart, you're right beside me in my heart. Don't you know my love is here? Don't you know my love is real? You should know by now, this much is true. My love is here for you. Time, nothing but time to make up your mind. I'll give you all that you need. I want you to know I'll never let go till you come back to me. Even though you're far away, I'm right beside you day by day. Don't you know my love is here? Don't you know my love is real? You should know by now, this much is true. My love
Sa tingin
is
mo happy, sa loob ko
here
hindi.
for
Pakasakit. Pero okay lang. Tanggap ko naman na hindi tayo para sa isa't isa, diba? Okay na din to. Para naman. Pero hindi pa rin ako makamove
You're
on.
right
Pero
beside me
kakayanin ko para
in
makalimutan kita.
my heart.
Actually,
Don't you
may
know
boyfriend pala na
my
ako.
love is
Drama lang
here?
guys.
Don't you know my love is real for you? You should know by now, this much is true. My love is here for you.
Gusto kong umiyak. Paano ba? Ibigan niyo ako guys, iiyak ako. Hindi ko pa na magawa. Hindi ko magawa guys eh. Hi to all na lang. Hi schools ako. Parents di sa Negros. Hi, I miss you. Pati sa akong mga sister, brother. Hi. Oh, sa akong ate. Hi, Ate Libit. I miss you. Sorry kung nakoy salanin mo. Sorry. I love you, Ate Libit. I love you. Sorry. Sa akong ate pala na ikakasal, Ate An, sorry kung wala ako sa kasal mo. Sorry kung kasi ikakasal din yung yung choy ko, yung brother ko na si Jerome. Hi, sana hindi na kayo mag-away ng bestie ko. Sana okay na kayo. Hi pala kay Ate Jean. Hi Ate Jean. And hi kay Lulong. Hi to sa akong pamangkin. Hi Maymay. Hi Lia. I miss you so much guys. Pati kay Mama. Pati kay Papa. Pa, I miss you. Ag sa akong sister, hi Ruby, hi R. Miss na miss ko na kayo. Pati si Papa, mag-ingat ka pa ha, lagi. Mahal na mahal ko kayo ni Mama. Sobra. Alagaan yung sarili niyo ha. Kasi, miss ko na miss ko na kayo lahat. Kahit malayo ako sa inyo, pero nagawa kong paraan para makatulong sa inyo. Kasi, kawawa na si Papa. Hey Papa, I love you. Mag-ingat ka lagi dyan ha. Mahal na mahal kita. Pati si Mama. Mag-iingat kayo. Ito, ang anak niyo. Hi ko kay Ate Libete. Sorry kung marami mahong sala nagawa sa inyo. Ni Kuya. At saka, sa lahat na nasasaktan ko, sorry. Gusto ko nang bago yung buhay ko. Sorry pala. Sorry sa nasaktan ko.